Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you want to combine two of the best things in the world, outdoor living and premium espresso, you should meet this amazing tool by Leverpresso. This is the travel all-in-one kit you need to make top quality espresso, no electricity, off the grid while you're camping. This thoughtfully curated kit includes everything you need to make an amazing pull of espresso with no electricity. It includes the one-touch dual head tamper. It includes a stand so you can use your own cup or the included cup on the espresso maker, the dosing ring for the perfect size shot, and even a Pebble bottle that you can brew your own coffee or tea pour-overs in. Here you can see my husband is using this heavy-duty tamper and leveling tool to get the perfect amount of espresso. He's starting again with fresh hot water, and just look at that perfect shot. This is a second shot that he's using the included cup, and you can see that it puts the shot directly into a portable cup to use. This kit has everything you need, and we have been so pleased with the quality of the craftsmanship and the thoughtfulness to what is included. These are heavy-duty tools that will last you a lifetime. If high-quality coffee is important to you, you definitely need to check out this premium kit from Leverpresso. We are obsessed, and I think you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.